Hello traders, FpC Collector here. Today is Friday, July 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen monthly, I still think this first move up is an A. I think we already made an A, B, C, a B. I think we're in a 1, 2, 3 of wave C, which most likely is going to eventually end up looking something like that, probably going all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of what I think is an A, B, C, a B, right around the 203 area. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, very strong move to the upside. It still looks to me like a 1, 2, and 3. It looks like at some point it's going to need to make a 4 and a 5 just to finish off this one section of trend, which most likely is a wave 3. So as of now, it doesn't even give me any confirmation that the wave 4 is started yet. It still looks like we're in a wave 3. We do have a little bit of a Fibonacci bounce, but definitely no engulfing candle. Definitely really no reason to think that the uptrend is over. Now, when I look at the JPY basket or the JPY index that I have, it does look like a lot of the JPY pairs are starting that wave 4 already, but this one really has given us no sign that it started. It still looks like a 1, 2, and this is all a wave 3, and this right here very easily could still be a crescent, and it very easily could just keep on trending up. So until we get a big push to the downside, I don't really see much of a point in trying to go short too much on the shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, to me it still kind of looks like I have an ABC marked right here, but it still kind of looks to me like this possibly could be an AB right here, and that this first move down is actually an A. This is a very corrective B, and this is like a wave C forming right now. So if it does continue to make a big engulfing move to the upside and it rejects this structure, I think there's a good chance it may even end up going back up even higher, maybe even going up and taking out one of these, this high right here, and going all the way up to one of these higher structure levels or higher Fibonacci levels. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, it's definitely starting to turn out pretty strong. It could just be because it took out this low over here and there was a bunch of limit orders down there, because it does look to me like a 1, 2, 3. It kind of seems like we're in a 4 and it needs to make a wave 5. Then if it goes up and takes out structure, that's what's going to tell me that the wave C really is over and that we are continuing the uptrend. Now, like I said, looking at other JPY pairs, especially the basket and the index, the other pairs look like they're actually starting a much bigger correction, which does give me a little bit of doubt about this. The only reason why I think this is still a good option to go long on is because the pound has been very strong, and there's a good chance that it probably is going to go up at least one more time to make a wave 5 of wave 3 on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.